You're the most beautiful one.
I'm hideous, right?
Of course not! I've got it!
Ugly.
You're getting a glow up!
Oh, really? But how?
I've got everything we need right here!
I'm not sure I want to change my makeup. Huh?
Oh, thanks. Blah.
What the hell? Hand me that lipstick. I'll finish this.
You look stunning, Espressona! Take this! New!
So, what do you think? I'm a new Espressona.
You look gorgeous!
Did you see Espressona's new style?